Can you close your eyes, like, really hard? And, like, cover your ears for a second?
I got him this gift, right? It's a small gift, but I got this from Korea, and it's his favorite case, and I saw that his phone is up, so I got this case for him.
You gave me a Luffy case?
Yeah.